everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to learn a new concept, big and small. Big means bada and small means chota. Big means bada and small means chota. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Children, today I will show you some objects. Some are big and some are small. Okay, now let's start. I have two bottles. This one is small and this one is big. This one is small and this one is big. Okay. Now next I have two toy eggs. This one is big one and this one is small one. This one is big one and this one is small one. Now next I have two cars. This car is big and this car is small. This car is big and this car is small. Okay. Now I have two pens. This one is small and this one is big. This one is small and this one is big. Children, see, look at here. These both pens are color same, objects same, but size are different. One is small and one is big. Now next I have two balls. Pink ball is small and yellow color ball is big. Pink one is small and yellow ball is big. Now next I have two babies here. This one baby is small and this one baby is big. This one is small and this one is big. Now next I have two bikes. This bike is small and this bike is big. This one is small bike and this one is big bike. Now children, you know, you look at your mama's hand. Your mama's hand is big and your hand is small. Your mama's hand is big and your hand is small. Dear children, what is this? It's a big elephant and this one is a small mouse. Elephant is big and mouse is small. Okay. Now next, look at here, page number 33. Okay. Now, which picture is this? Rings. This one is big ring and this one is small ring. This one is big ring and this one is small ring. This one is big shirt and this one is small shirt. Big shirt, small shirt. What is this, children? This is your favorite toy. Car. This one is big car and this one is small car. This one is big car and this one is small car. And what is this? This is bag. आप लोग स्कूल जाते हैं तभी बैग लेके जाते हो ना, स्कूल बाहर तभी ये यूज करते. This one is big bag and this one is small bag. This one is big bag and this one is small bag. Okay. Now we will do one activity here, big and small. Look at here what ma'am had write, big and small. B-I-G, big, S-M-A-L-L, small. Now we will sort the things. Okay. Now I have two bottles. One big bottle, keep it here. Big one, and small bottle, keep it here. Now I have two cars. Big cars, keep it here, and small car, keep it here. I have two pens. Big one pen is put on here, and small pen is put on this side. Small. I have two animals. What is this? Which animal is this? Zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. Now small one is put on here and big one is here. Okay. Now we will play this game at home also. So you will search all things which one is big and which one is small. And tell your parents, Mama, this one is big and this one is small. So you will learn easy concept, big and small, and send me the video. Thank you. Bye. Children, I will show you one craft activity. You have to first identify circle and then stick small pieces of paper on it. Material required: one plain paper, glue, pencil, small pieces of paper. Now tell me which is big circle? This one. Okay. Now to stick the paper on it, you will apply glue. Then take the small pieces of paper one by one and stick on it. Now children, you do this activity at home and send me the pic. Thank you.